Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to change our rear brakes on this Ford F-150. I already have the tire off, but that's the only thing. Yes, baby. Wow, so strong. So we already have the tire off. The next thing we're going to do is get a jack stand. We have a jack stand on the other side. We need to bring it over here. And we're gonna get a C-clamp, squeeze in the caliper to remove the brake pad, and then we remove the disc wheel. So make sure your emergency brakes are not on, your parking brakes are not on. So now we have our C-clamp in position right here. What we're trying to do is turn this to push in the caliper piston right there. You can see it's going in. So this is making room for the new pads and rotor to fit, because you know the new pad and rotor are going to be bigger than the old one. Alright, so it don't go no more. We're just going to take this off. Get our 10 millimeter. You're going to use two 10 millimeter in the back. One right here, one right here. Then we have another one down here. Slide the caliper off and leave it right there for now. Slide this pads off, then we can just slide this off. And it looks like we have a wheel seal leak. Yeah, so we're gonna put this on because the customer don't want to do the seal, so we're just gonna do the brakes, continue on. They say you don't really use the truck, so you don't want to change that. So let's get once we install our brake pads like that, we want to go ahead and just slide it over. And be mindful of the sliders. Just keep them out the way, and it will go in. So that's it, guys. Double check your work. Make sure these two 10mm are tight, which they are. And the rubber is good. And we have both pads in, and we have the new rotors in. And that's it. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.